All right, so for today's lesson, you'll need your composition book for notes and a pen or a pencil. Today we have two types of graphs that we're going to talk about. The first one is a line plot, and a line plot uses a number line to show how often a value occurs in a set of data. And then a stem and leaf plot is another way to display data where the values are grouped by their first digit and the last digits or what they have in common. Go ahead and hit pause and write those down. Okay, so let's take a look at a line plot. Let's say that I had a list of scores from a student's tests and I wanted to organize these in a line plot. The first thing I want to do is find my smallest number. In this problem, what would the smallest number be? 50. And then I need to find my largest number. And what's that going to be? 100. So now I need to make a number line from 50 to 100. Since these up here go by 5s, I'm going to let my number line go by 5s. And so there's my number line. To make my line plot, all I have to do is put an X above each number that appears. So for the 100, there's my X. Then one above the 60, then 90, then 50. See how I'm doing this? 95, 100, 85, 90, 75, 60, 80, 65, 80, 75, 100, and 80. And there I'm done. That's my line plot. Make sure your line plot has arrows at the ends because you know it's a number line that continues on forever. So I want you to take this information and make a line plot from it. The next one we're going to talk about is the stem and leaf plot. This is what a stem and leaf plot looks like, where the first digit is a stem and the second digit is a leaf. And this is called a stem and leaf plot. Let's take a look at this stem and leaf plot. Every stem and leaf plot has to have a key. And what we're going to do now is we're going to list the numbers that are in here. Now these are the first number and these two are the second number. It's not 125. It's actually 1 and 2 make 12. 1 and 5 make 15. 4 and 0 make 40. 4 and 1 make 41. I have 2 of those, so I have to list them both. 5 and 2, 52, 5 and 7, 57, and 5 and 9, 59. Now what you may see is that they'll give you this information and tell you to find the mean, median, and mode. So then you would have to list them out. So let's make one using this information below. I've got 26 questions. The first thing I want to do is put them in order from smallest to largest. So here they are, smallest to largest. The next thing is I have to have a key. Your key just is one of the numbers how it would be written in the stem and leaf plot. So my key for this one is just going to be my first number, 3-3 means 33. So now let's put the plot together. Here's my line for my definition of my tree, my stems, and my leaves. So I've got a 33 and a 39. So that's going to give me a 3 on the outside and a 3 and a 9 here. My 4, I only have one 4, so it's going to be a 4 on the outside, a 2. My 5, I've got a lot of different numbers. So I'm going to have a 5 over here, and then a 2, 2, a 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 9, 9. What's my 6 going to be? You finish this and then see if it matches mine. Hit pause. Okay, so here's mine. Did yours match? Excellent. So now you're going to create your own stem and leaf plot from this data given. See you in class.